Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Here we are, and we will be picking the winner today of the special edition glossy box that was actually released for the Mother's Day. And so what I did already do was copy the actual link onto the clipboard, and I will go ahead and paste this here. And here we go. And then the next steps are to, of course, we will filter for users and duplicate users, and to make sure that everybody gets at least one attempt and chance, I guess, right? So next we will filter for the verbiage, and that was mother. And regardless if you use the plural mothers or the mother apostrophe s, it would pick it up because it does have the word mother within it. So no worries, as long as you spelt it correctly, you could have made a plural form or apostrophe form. So here we go. Let's get the comments. And it looks like we have 27 comments meeting that mother verbiage. And then next what we want to do is go ahead and choose the winner out of the 27. So we're going to hop over here and we will go ahead and start the raffle. And here we go. Jen Button, congratulations, Jen. Okay, it says, what an awesome box. My youngest son said I'm very dedicated mother as we were in Boston moving him home for summer break this weekend. So great. Okay, the only thing we have to do now, Jen, is to validate that you are actually publicly subscribed to me. So we're going to hop on over to your channel. And let's see, we go over to the channels tab. And here we go. Channels, there it is. And we will go ahead and click on this. And this right here will show us everybody that Jen is actually subscribed to. So let's see, here we go. And we're just going to keep scrolling until we find me. And so we will go ahead and, okay, here it is. Okay, great, wonderful. Okay, that validates it. And so like I said, congratulations, Jen. And please do contact me and either use my email address at the end of the details in this video, or you can reach out to me in Instagram, and it's haute.modesty is my Instagram handle. So again, congratulations, and I will be shipping this out to you as soon as I get your address. So thank you, guys.